Hi and welcome to driver training. Today we're going to deal with Telford Trench Lock coming from Donington or Stafford onto the A442. But before we do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Now the route we're covering today is definitely the cause of much discussion and many arguments about which lane you should be in. And hopefully this video will help you to understand this better. Now we're coming currently down the A518, which is from Donington or Stafford towards Trench Lock. We want to go towards the town centre. Now on the left we have a sign which tells us which lane we should be in, and you can see it does say Telford Town Centre left lane, but that's perhaps not the best picture. So we managed to get one off Google Earth, and again, as you can see, it says clearly on the sign if we zoom in that the left lane as we come down is for Telford Town Centre, A442 South or Trench, so we can use the left lane to go to Trench or onto the dual carriageway. But what if we don't know that that sign's there? Well, we just stay in the left lane. Now as we get here, we look at the centre white line and we just need to follow that. Remember, same as always, if we're crossing a white line, we're changing lanes. So what we're doing now is waiting for the lights to change. Then we're simply going to follow that white line and it will lead us into the middle lane. So as we come down, we look at where that white line is going, and we can see that from this point it's quite clearly going to lead us straight into the middle lane. So we just follow that white line but don't cross it. That leads us into the middle lane, and if we look at the road marking on the floor, we can see that that says straight ahead A442. So again, as the lights change, we look at the road marking A442 South, exactly like the sign said as we approached, and that leads us correctly onto the dual carriageway. So let's have a look at that in action, shall we? Now we're coming down, we can see our sign on the left, and what we're going to do is follow a couple of professional drivers as they do the route that we've just done, but we get to sit back and watch others do it. So we've got the bus in front, we've got the lorry next to him. Now if either of these doesn't know which lane they should be in, it would cause a big problem. But as the lights change, we see that the bus follows that centre line into the middle lane. The lorry stays on the right side of the line because he knows from that lane he can go straight ahead onto the dual carriageway or to the right, and he does go right. The bus carries on, and that is how you do that route on Trench Lock correctly. Hope this helps and settles a few arguments. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon. Don't forget to drive safe.